Okay, I have to ask you something.
Uh-oh.
No, it's not bad. It's just, you got tea today.
I did.
You always get coffee, like always, so I noticed.
You noticed that?
I notice things. It's my thing.
It's lemon ginger. Maria keeps it behind the counter for me.
Maria has a secret tea stash just for you?
She knows I like it.
That's actually really sweet.
Yeah, it's nice to have people who know your little things.
Okay, so speaking of little things, I feel like we should introduce ourselves.
To who?
To everyone listening. We just started talking. They have no idea who we are.
Oh, right. That's fair.
I'm Tony. I've been here about 8 years. I still make mistakes constantly, like all the time. But I've learned that most people don't actually care.
I'm Anna, 3 years, and I'm the opposite of Tony. I know all the rules, I studied everything, but then someone asks me a question in a meeting, and my brain just leaves.
It's the worst feeling.
It really is.
So that's what we talk about here. Real situations, real conversations. The stuff that actually matters when you're living in another language.
And today we're talking about something so simple, but somehow it still makes me nervous.
What's that?
Monday morning. Someone asks you, "What did you do this weekend?" And you have to actually answer.
Oh, that question, yeah.
It sounds easy, right? But sometimes my brain just blank.
Same, even after 8 years. Especially if I didn't do anything interesting. Then I'm like, just stuff.
Exactly. So we're going to talk about our weekends, real ones, and we'll show you how to talk about yours.
Before we start, though, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We put out new episodes every week, and we'd love to have you around.
And while you're down there, leave us a comment. Tell us when was the last time you totally froze trying to answer a simple question. We read them, I promise.
Okay, so Anna, what did you actually do this weekend?
Oh, it was good. Really good, actually. My sister Chloe and I took the train out to that little town near the mountains.
The one with the old streets?
Yeah, exactly.
I love that town. How was it?
It was beautiful, but Tony, the train ride was ridiculous.
Why? What happened?
So we're on the train, right? Early morning. I'm reading, Chloe's asleep. Head against the window, mouth open, the whole thing.
Classic Chloe.
And then suddenly the train just stops, in the middle of nowhere, just fields.
Was there a problem?
Cows.
Cows?
Cows on the track, like 10 of them, just standing there, living their best lives, not moving.
No way.
I'm serious. The driver comes on the speaker and goes, "Ladies and gentlemen, we apologize for the delay. There are cows on the tracks. We're waiting for them to move."
That's amazing.
Everyone looks out the window. The tourists are losing their minds taking photos. The locals are just annoyed. And Chloe slept through the whole thing.
Of course she did.
15 minutes, Tony. 15 minutes we waited for those cows to decide their next move.
Did they eventually move?
Yeah, they just wandered off eventually, like nothing happened.
That's such a good story, though.
It was a very natural start to the day. Anyway, we finally get to the town and it was just perfect. Old streets, little shops, we walked for hours.
Did you find anything good?
I found this tiny bookstore, like really old. The floor creaked when you walked and the books smelled like...
Like history?
Yes, how did you know I was going to say that?
Because you say that every time you find an old book. It's one of my favorite things about you.
That's such a weird thing to notice.
I'm a weird guy. What book did you get?
A gardening book from 1972.
Wait, you don't garden?
I'm going to start this summer. Tomatoes.
You? Outside in the dirt?
I can be outside.
The last time you went outside for fun, you got a sunburn through a window.
That was one time.
It was last month.
Okay, but the book has pictures. I can learn.
I love this. Anna the tomato farmer.
Don't make it weird.
Too late. What about lunch?
We found this little cafe and I had vegetable soup with fresh bread. It was so simple, but so good.
That's the thing about weekends. Sometimes the best moments are just simple ones.
Exactly. And then Sunday, I literally stayed in my pajamas until 10 and worked in the garden. Very exciting.
That sounds perfect, though.
It was. Okay, your turn. What did you do?
Well, Saturday morning, I went for a run.
How far?
5 kilometers.
5? That's so far.
It was windy. I almost died.
You did not almost die.
In my head, I died, but my body kept going. It was very confusing.
Okay, and after your run?
I went to a garage sale.
Oh, I love garage sales.
Me too. Other people's trash is my treasure.
Did you find anything good?
Anna, I found a guitar.
You play guitar?
A little. Not well, but I try.
So you bought a guitar?
I bought the guitar. It was old and dusty and missing a string. And there was this older man selling it, Mr. Thompson.
Did you try to get a better price?
No. because he told me the story first.
What story?
It was his dad's guitar. His dad played every night after dinner. Mr. Thompson grew up listening to that guitar. And when his dad passed, he kept it for 40 years.
Oh, Tony.
He told me he didn't want money. He just wanted someone who would actually play it. And he looked at me like, I don't know, like he knew.
Did you buy it?
I paid him. He didn't want me to, but I paid him. Not much, just something. And he shook my hand for a really long time and said, take care of her.
Stop, I'm going to cry.
I spent all Saturday afternoon cleaning it and fixing the strings. And then I played. Badly, but I played.
That's not really a story about a guitar, is it?
No?
It's about connection, about someone seeing you.
Yeah, I think it is.
What about Sunday?
Sunday was totally different. Went to my parents' house for lunch.
Oh, nice.
Loud, chaotic, the best.
Who was there?
Everyone. Mom, Dad, my brother, and Leo.
Leo. How old is he now?
4. And he has more energy than the actual sun.
What did you do?
We played soccer in the backyard for like 3 hours.
3 hours?
He doesn't stop. He runs, I run. He kicks, I chase. He falls, he gets up, he runs more. I'm exhausted just thinking about it.
Who won?
Leo. Always Leo. He told me after, Tony, you're slow. 4 years old, destroying my confidence.
Kids are honest.
Too honest. But then my mom made chocolate cake.
Oh.
3 layers, Anna. Chocolate frosting, chocolate chips. I ate 2 pieces.
2?
3.
You said 2.
I know. I lied to protect myself.
I love that. I love that so much.
Okay, so here's the thing. Monday morning comes and someone asks you, how was your weekend? You don't want to just say fine or good and stop there, right?
No, because then the conversation just ends.
Exactly. So here's a simple way to keep it going. 3 parts.
First, say one thing you actually did. Just one.
Second, say how it made you feel.
Third, ask the other person the same question.
So for you, it would be like, I went to the mountains with my sister. It was really peaceful. How about you?
And for you, I found this old guitar at a garage sale. I'm actually pretty excited about it. Did you do anything fun?
See? Now it's a conversation. Not just, it was good.
You can try it right now, actually, out loud. Think about your weekend. One thing, one feeling, one question back.
We'll wait.
See? You did it.
Okay, so what about next weekend? You have any plans?
Next weekend, I'm going to that photography exhibition at the museum.
The nature one?
Yeah, giant photos of animals and forests. I've been wanting to see it for weeks.
That sounds beautiful.
And then Italian food with Sarah after.
The famous Sarah.
The famous Sarah. She's been talking about this restaurant forever.
What are you ordering?
I don't know yet, but I'm going to order something different from her so we can try both.
That's strategic.
That's friendship. What about you?
I'm helping a friend move.
Oh, fun.
Not fun, but I have a big car, so I'm the moving guy now.
Every group needs the person with the big car.
It's my only value.
That's not true.
It's mostly true, but he's buying pizza, so I can't complain.
Pizza fixes everything.
It really does. Sunday, I'm staying home to practice the guitar. I want to learn one simple song.
Which one?
I don't know yet. Maybe Happy Birthday. It's practical.
That is practical.
Everyone has birthdays. I'll be ready.
Okay, so before we go, we have some questions for everyone listening.
Question 1. What did you do last weekend? Just one thing.
Question 2. Who were you with? Family? Friends? A book? Your cat?
Pancake counts.
Pancake always counts.
And question 3. What are you doing next weekend? Big plans? Small plans? No plans?
Write it in the comments. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just try.
We read them. Seriously, it's actually our favorite part.
It is. Seeing you practice, seeing you show up. That's why we do this.
If you liked this, hit subscribe. It honestly helps us keep going.
And next episode, we're talking about meetings.
The specific words you need when your boss asks you a question and your brain just empties.
That phrase I mentioned earlier, the one that saved me,
We're teaching it, step by step.
you don't want to miss it.
Same time next week?
Same place. I'll bring the tea.
I'll bring the topic. Something about apologies. How to say sorry without sounding like you're apologizing for existing.
You think about this stuff too much.
I think about you and everyone listening. That's enough.
Fluent English Cafe. New episodes every week.
See you next time.
Bye.